Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 9. This is Megan, and let's go over what we're going to be learning and doing this week. So, this week we are talking about some like digital specific, but not website specific. So, we're going to be talking about email best practices. So, think about like marketing emails, and then some social media best practices for designing social media assets. If you want to know more about social media, we do have a social media marketing class. Give me just a moment and I will see what class number that is while I'm waiting for that to load. Let me tell y'all about there's a screenwriting class that is going to be offered next term. It will work as an arts and letters elective for you. So if you are needing an arts and letters elective and you don't want to do like a traditional English lit or something like that, definitely check out the screenwriting class because the instructor teaching it is a really cool, good instructor. So the screenwriting class is Writing 243. So that is in winter. Nope, sorry, we're in winter right now, in spring of 2024. And then the social media marketing class is Business 233. So just a couple of things to think of outside of this class. Okay, back to this week. So I've got a couple of they're not really articles, but they're more of like explainers and how-tos that I want you to look over this week. One is HTML email best practices, and then one is designing for social media. The email best practices one is put out by like an email delivery service, and the designing for social media is put out by a social media management software that we actually use at the school. You can kind of schedule and plan your social media posts on it. So they are like outside of my personal experience with best practices for social media and emailing. These are reputable sources for these things. Also watch the lecture video and then review the lecture slides. This should be pretty normal by now. We also have an assignment this week. You are going to be making a social media post. So I have a list of events for KCC that are coming up. And then if you don't see any events that you like, you can also choose a program or a club on campus. And you're going to be making a couple of social media posts, just the image for it. And you're going to be making an Instagram one first, and then using the assets from that Instagram one and then resizing it for the other social media platforms. So you're not creating 3 different social media posts, you're resizing things appropriately, because when you're designing some stuff for social media, it is super, super important that your images are specific sizes, so that they don't get, skewed or anything, but also so that they look aesthetically pleasing on there. The final is also up so that you can look at it. It is basically turning your wireframe into a working prototype. Make sure to look at the rubric and the, how to succeed at this assignment little blurb down in there, because that tells you every point that I will be grading on. Okay? So make sure to check those, and there shouldn't be any surprises with your grade if you've hit those things. As always, you can contact me by phone and email. My office hours are Wednesday, 7 to 8 p.m. I do want to let you know that next week, so that would be the 13th of March, I will not be doing office hours. In fact, I will not be super able to be responsive. Let me caveat that here. I'll be going to a conference from that Wednesday to that Friday. Well, flying out that one, yeah. So most of the days I will be in conference talks, and so I won't be able to have my phone on me and like instantly respond, but I will still respond to you whenever I have time between, or if nothing else, at the end of the day. So it's not like I'm going to wait multiple days to respond to you. It just might not be as quick as it normally is. So no office hours on the 13th, still office hours on the 6th. Have a great rest of your week. If you're on campus, make sure to check out Fuel for Finals when that comes up. And yeah, thanks. Bye.